Chapter 12, Triangles and Quadrilaterals. We're going to look at understanding angles in a triangle. You can pause the video and have a go at examples 1, 2 and 3. So, to work with triangles we need to know the fact that angles in a triangle add up to 180. Example 1, we've got 3 angles in the triangle and as we just said, they add to 180. So C plus the 78 plus the 33 equals 180. You could sort of do this and with rough working out, but I prefer you to try to set up an equation. It'll help you in the long run. If you don't know how to form an equation, that's a skill you need to develop. So what would you do? You would add these two angles together to give you your 111. And to find C, you would get 180. You'd take away these two angles, you'd take away the 111. And as an equation, you're taking 111 off both sides. And you get C equals 69. Example 2. We've got our triangle here. We don't have 3 angles in the triangle, we've only got 2 angles. This one here isn't marked on, but we can get it if we think about this angle and the angle inside the triangle are on a straight line. So this angle here would be 180 minus 144, which gives you the 36. So we can put in here 36. Then we can say that the 3 angles, the y plus the 69 plus the 36, add to 180. We would add together those two angles, 69 plus 36, which gives you your 105. And then you would subtract that 105 from both sides, take it off the 180, and that would give you that y is equal to 180 minus 105, which is 75 degrees. Part question 3, find B. Here again we've only got 2 angles in the triangle. We need to figure out this one here, and this was vertically opposite the 30 degrees, so it is 30 degrees also. Then we can say that the B plus that 30 plus this angle in the bottom corner, it's a square indicated there, so it's a right angle, it's 90 degrees. Those 3 angles add up to 180. The 30 and the right angle add to 120, so B plus 120 will give you 180. Take off the 120 from both sides, and that would tell you that B is equal to 180 minus 120, which is 60 degrees.